And here it is, the Android 10 beta update for Galaxy S10 family. As you can see, the S10 Plus is running Android 10 and the S10 is running Android Pie. So let's talk about what all new features Android 10 carries with it. And first time, the Android 10 is getting an additional update of One UI 2.0, so it will be crazy to see. So once again, welcome back to Robo Universe, and let's talk about what all new features we are getting. First would be the gesture one. The earlier old gestures on the Android Pie 9 UI 1.2, it was completely ugly, but this time it's great. It is completely a great one, and it's a good deal and more fun. Like you have to swipe from the down and give a pause for the opening of the DAX, and swipe from any of the sides to go back, and it's more convenient and it's more easier and it's cool even, and that's pretty cool. And we'll talk about the next thing would be the one-handed mode, and that's great. One-handed mode is completely a necessary thing if you are using a smartphone that's large like this, and if you're an iPhone user, you would be addicted to this. Like, one-handed mode is great for using the camera module. Now next, there is a slight change in the device care section. Earlier the info was just normal, but this time the earlier info has gotten more better and more accurate, and the design has also been changed. You will be getting accurate information about how much battery you have used and what all device care system has been used. Next, talking about the wireless power share. Earlier you used to use the wireless power share and you used to donate power, you have donate battery to somebody else, and you were still begging for a phone charger because you were running out of power. But this time you'll be able to set up to how much percent you'll be donating the power of your phone, so that you'll be free from battery. And next thing would be the sound system. The media settings has been changed. In the sound system, you'll be able to use the sound settings right from the notification bar. You no need to go inside the settings and all to do all that, and it's convenient and it's easy to use. The digital well-being control has also been changed, because the digital well-being was it is a very important thing, and this has been implemented on timing, on which app you are using more time and which app you are completely addicted to. So you'll be able to measure all this, and this time this thing has completely accurate, and the design has also been changed to how to manage your digital life, on which app you are spending more time and all. And there is also custom timing for particular app. You can set some custom timing for your app, and this is important because there are a lot of controversies. Next, talking about this improved sounds and vibration settings. The sounds and vibrations are great, and this is also a good option because you'll be able to see a new type of settings. The thrash folder has also been introduced, because the thrash folder, if you're deleting something, you'll be getting that back within 15 days of time. The calendar is also available, which you can use stickers on the calendar. So that's all for today, and all those people who are still not getting this Android 10 official beta update for S10 Plus, so don't be panicked. It depends on your region and in your country, so you'll be getting this flow very soon, and once it will be available officially worldwide, I'll be updating this link once again, so that you can check my link in description and you can download the official update for your Galaxy S10 family, the Android 10, which supports and comes with One UI 2.0. So please give a thumbs up to this video. If any doubt, queries, ask in the comment section below. Please share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon before you leave. So that's all for today. Peace out, guys.